Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Faulkner, and I'm here today to go over your problem set for Lesson 5. Again, if you have not completed your problem set, make sure you hit pause, go finish your problem set. It should take you about 10 minutes, and then come back and check your work. Okay, let's go ahead and look at number 1. It says divide 6 tomatoes into groups of 3. Well, we have our picture of 6 tomatoes. They have been divided into groups of 3. So how many groups of 3 tomatoes are there? Well, there's 1 and 2. So you should have had a 2 there. And so 6, which is our total tomatoes, divided by 3 tomatoes in each group, equals 2. Okay, let's look over at number 2. Number 2 says to divide 8 lollipops into groups of 2. So we're going to take these 8 lollipops and we're going to put them into groups of 2. So 2 in each group. So what you should have done is circle. There's one group. Here is another group, and another group of 2. So here we have each of our groups have 2 lollipops. So how many groups did we get? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 groups and 8, which is the total lollipops, divided by 2. The number in each group is 4. Okay, so 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Let's go on down to number 3. It says divide 10 stars into groups of 5. We have 10 stars. We want 5 stars in each group. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to take my pencil and circle 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to circle this group here. So 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Okay, we have 2 groups. Number 4, divide the shells to show 12 divided by 3. So we have a total of 12 shells, and we want them in a group of 3. All right, so I'm going to take my pencil, and I'm going to put 3 shells in a group. So there's group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. So 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Divide the shells to show 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So where the unknown represents the number of groups. How many groups are there? There are 4 groups. All right, let's keep going on. You're doing a great job dividing those numbers out, boys and girls. All right, let's get go on. Whoops, I went a little bit too far. Let's go back up here and look at number 5. It says Rachel has 9 crackers. She puts 3 crackers in each bag. Circle the crackers to show Rachel's bag. So here we have a picture of 9 crackers, and she only wants 3 in a bag. So we're going to take our pencil and we're going to draw a group of 3. There's a group of 3. Here's a group of 3. And here's a group of 3. Okay? So we have done that. A says circle or write a division sentence where the answer represents the number of Rachel's bags. So in a division sentence, we always know the total goes first. It's kind of like subtraction. The biggest number goes first in subtraction. The biggest number is going to go first here in our division problem as well. So they told us that there were 9. Sorry, I have a bug flying around me. So we have 9 divided by, and we put 3 in each group, and we got 3 groups. Okay, I always like to put the unit, so I would definitely write 3 bags. I'm not good at writing with my mouse. I wish I kind of had a little pencil I could write with. Letter B, draw a number bond to represent the problem. So I'm going to move my paper down a little bit so that I may draw that number bond. So remember, in a number bond, the biggest number goes in the top circle. All right, so our biggest number here is going to be 9. And then we have to think, okay, well, we had 3 in each bag, and then we ended up with 3 groups. Okay, so if you draw your number bond, you have your circles like that, and then down here in each circle, I should have the number 3. Again, excuse my writing. All right, looking at number 6, it says Misha has 16 wheels to make toy cars. She uses 4 wheels for each car. Use a count by to find the number of cars Jamisha can build. Make a drawing to match your count. So we know that she has 16 wheels and 4 wheels for each car. All right, so I'm going to do my best to do this. I'm not going to draw a fancy car. I'm actually just going to draw a circle. That's my car. It gets 4 wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's another car, and it gets 4 wheels. And so 4 plus 4 is 8. All right. So I'm going to draw another car. It's going to get 4 wheels. So I have 4, 8, 12. I got to get to 16. So I'm going to draw another car, and I'm going to put 4 wheels. So now I have 4, 8, 12, and 16. So that would match my drawing. All right, this is one car, as I've told you. Write a division sentence to represent your problem. So I'm going to move up just a little bit, and I'm going to write a division sentence. Remember that very first number is going to be your biggest number, or your total, which was 16 wheels. Each car had to have 4 wheels. And so we found out that we ended up getting 4 cars. Okay, so make sure you have your units. If you do not have your units of cars, go ahead and write that in on your paper. Okay. Well, I hope you did a fantastic job on your problem set. Again, if you have any questions, you may go back and watch the lesson again, or you're welcome to send me a comment or a text. I'd be happy to help you. I hope you have a great time with your Zone lesson. I'll see you soon. Bye.